Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Unbox with Alex Trin, and in this episode of Unbox with Alex Trin, we will be unboxing the PowerA Xbox One and Windows 10 wired controller. So I got this product from Walmart on clearance for $5. $5 on clearance from Walmart. The original price of this product is $19.88 from Walmart. Today we will be unboxing this product and check this controller out. But before we do, let's take a look around the box. So here it is. Here's the PowerA Xbox One and Windows 10 wired controller. Here is the presentation by PowerA. As you can see here, this features a soft touch finish. It even has a cutout where you can feel inside that it has a soft touch finish. So as you can see here, this is a white controller, but if you look this product up online, this comes with different colors and also different designs for the PowerA wired controller. On this side of the box, here you can see PowerA, and you can see the bullet points listed in different languages, and you can visit their website to learn more about this product. And here is what the controller looks like. Here you can see the analog stick, D-pad, the Xbox home button, and the X, Y, A, B buttons on this Xbox One controller. And this controller reminds me of the Xbox Series X controller, to be honest. But on this side of the box, this product is officially licensed by Microsoft for Xbox One and Windows 10. Connect the PowerA wired controller to a Windows PC on the USB cable. Previous versions of Windows will automatically download and install drivers for the controller. Verify that device software is up to date through Device Manager. And here at the bottom is in a different language. So this controller, this wired controller, if you connect this to your PC, will work. It will automatically download the software for you. So here's the bottom side of the box. The bottom side of the box has all the questions that you need, the contact information, what is distributed by, and here are all the legal information and the barcode if you want to look this particular product up online. And with that being said, let's take a look on the back side of the box. So here's the back side of the box. The back side of the box features that this wired controller has dual motors. It has the aux port for your controller, a port for your micro USB cable, and dual analog sticks, as you can see there. So at the bottom, immersive experience, enhanced comfort, responsive vibration, and crystal clear stereo keeps you in the game, along with other different languages. And going back to the front, there's one last look at the presentation. And let's finally take out the X-Acto knife and unbox this thing. So all we have to do is cut through the tape that seals this box. And for $5, even though I have a wireless controller, picking up this for $5 is basically a steal. Even though I prefer a black color, picking this up, even though it's a wired controller, it doesn't get any better than that. So with that being said, let's open this up. I have to pull this tab up. There we go. And yeah, so simple unboxing with no hassle of unboxing this product. And once you pull the product out, there's nothing else in the box. And here's the controller itself, encased with this plastic. And at the bottom is your micro USB cable and the quick start guide. We'll take a look at that later. And let's remove this piece of plastic from the Xbox One Windows 10 controller. And here it is. And my goodness, this definitely looks like the Xbox Series X controller. Reminds me of what is coming out this year. So this is actually a soft touch finish, but the black part is actually plastic. And let's take a look at the quick start guide for the PowerA wired controller for Xbox One and Windows 10. So here's the quick start guide for the wired controller. Pause the video if you want to actually read this thing. And here's all the other details. And this is the most important detail, which is how you would set this up. So yeah. And let's take a look on the back side if there's anything other than that. And yeah. So here is the 8-fit micro USB cable. This is where you connect your PC or your Xbox One console to the controller. And here's the Xbox One Windows 10 PowerA controller. And my first impression of this, it basically feels like almost the same thing as the original controller by Microsoft. And that is a good thing. So here's the back side. Here's your trigger buttons. And here's the micro USB port where you connect this to your PC or console. And when I bought this, I think I'm going to use this one for my PC. So here's the aux port for your headphones. And yeah, so what I have here, I'm going to bring out my Xbox One controller, the original Xbox One S controller that came with the console by Microsoft, and let's compare the two. And as you can see, you can tell the difference in its appearance. The one on top from Microsoft is more wider than the one from PowerA. So let's test out the buttons on this controller by Microsoft. And I can say that this has more of a clickable feeling to it. Well, this controller from PowerA, the buttons feel like it has more of a soft touch when you push down the buttons on the PowerA controller. So here's the bottom part of the controllers. You can see the difference. So let's take a look on this side of these controllers. And as you can see here, they share the same placement of the micro USB port. And this is where you connect to your Windows 10 PC or Xbox One console. And yeah, and one more thing is that the wired controller by PowerA is actually lighter than the one on the right by Microsoft. So that's about it for this episode of Unbox with Alex. And if you like this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below on what you think about this product. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and be sure to check out my other YouTube content that's on this channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Alex, and I'll see you on the next one.